Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to log Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and now we can log some photos or videos. You need to select them, let's say these two, and let's add the video. Then at the bottom you need to scroll down and you need to find Move to Locked folder. You have the same on iOS, the same icon and the same name, so click on it, then click Continue and move. Here we go. Then go to Collections, and at the bottom we have locked line. This one is the place where you have these photos, so we need to use the password. If you enter in this menu for the first time, it will ask you to turn on backup for this photo in the locked folder or do not turn on. It's up to you. I want to turn on backup. And now we have all these photos. If you want to move it back, you need to select some photos, then click Move. Or if you select only one, just enter in this photo and click Move here. So as you can see, we have the same place for it. Move and move. You can also remove some photos, so again you need to or select few photos or enter in the first photo and click Delete at the right bottom. And delete. And we permanently delete this photo. We can also check if we go to the trash. Right here, as you can see, we haven't this photo what we just delete. So we need to know it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.